Then you go ahead and apply a moisturizer. When you apply the glow bronzer, make sure you blend it out so it doesn't leave any streaks, lines. If you have oily skin, go ahead and apply a primer that would stop the oil from interfering with your foundation, and gently pat it into your skin. Pick a foundation that matches your skin perfectly well. To apply your foundation, use a damp beauty sponge and start somewhere around here. That's the lower part of your face. A little bit and blend upward. Don't forget to blend down to your neck area. You see how light the foundation is? This is how you want your skin to look. Very breathable, very minimal. But if you still have any concerns on your face, blemishes, breakout that you would like to cover, don't bother going all over your face anymore. Just dip the beauty sponge on what you have left and go back to the area where you have the concern and just focus on that area. Just stay on it till you see that it is completely covered. Can you see how that covered up without making our face look like we packed so much foundation on? Under eyes highlight, I'm using a foundation, but I'll mix this a little bit with a darker foundation to give my under eye a coverage. While we're waiting for the under eye to dry down, I'm going to use a lipstick as my blush. So once you give your concealer or foundation a little bit of time to dry down, it's not going to move around. This only works with foundation or concealers that are matte. Set the rest of your face with the setting powder. Use a powder bronzer to add warmth to the perimeters of your face. Use a dry puff and a compact powder. I'm going to use the same bronzer that I use all over my face.